Hello, I'm Dale Barry, certified prosthetist and owner of Prosthetic Xpert Consultation. 3-Minute Mentor is a series of presentations to answer topic-specific questions about prosthetics, to assist certified life care planners, case managers, and legal professionals to better understand the art, science, and administrative intricacies of prosthetics. Today's topic is Prosthetic L Codes. Prosthetic L Codes are an administrative classification established by the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services Healthcare Common Procedure Coding System, commonly referred to as HCPCS. This coding system is used to assign a specific 4-digit L code to identify each individual function or feature of a prosthesis. L codes have subsequently been adopted by the medical and prosthetic industry nationwide and is utilized by all prosthetic providers, commercial insurance organizations, and government institutions involved with the provision, approval, and payment of prosthetic devices. The L code system has a range of L codes for lower limb prosthesis, upper limb prosthesis, and soft goods and supplies. And it's typical for a prosthesis to have a combination of between 5 and 20 L codes for a single prosthetic device. In addition to distinguishing the feature or function of each part of a prosthesis, the L code is also used to determine the cost of the device. Every prosthetic provider will have a retail price list for each L code, and the total cost of the prosthesis is the sum of the reimbursement of all of the L codes. It's important to establish that the L code is not intended to, nor does it identify any component or product by brand name or model. For example, if it's determined it's medically necessary for a patient to be provided a prosthesis that contains a computer-controlled microprocessor knee, the prescription would include the code L5856, which identifies the feature and function of an endoskeletal knee shin system with microprocessor and electronic sensors to control swing and stance phase for the prosthesis. Note that this L code, as with all L codes, is generic and does not identify any make or model of a specific knee, but rather identifies a specific feature and function of the component. For this specific computer-controlled feature, there are numerous makes and models of prosthetic knees by many different manufacturers that are identified with the code L5856. All of these knee components are comparable, as they all have computer-controlled microprocessor systems with electronic sensors, and thus all would utilize the code L5856 and all would have the exact same L5856 price and reimbursement. The L code system is an administrative mechanism to document, prescribe, prior authorize, and establish cost and reimbursement of a prosthetic device. 3-Minute Mentor is brought to you by Prosthetic Xpert Consultation. If you have topics you would like to be covered in future presentations, please contact me at dale@pxerx.com. I'm Dale Barry. Be well, stay safe.